Imagine an AI that doesn't just answer your questions, but actually does the work for you. While you sleep, it's coding your website. During your meeting, it's analyzing your data. Getting coffee? It's already booked your flight, researched hotels, and created your itinerary. This isn't science fiction. These are AI agents, and they're about to change everything. In the next 5 minutes, you'll learn what they are, their four superpowers, how they actually work, and real examples you can use today. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it this way: ChatGPT is like a brilliant assistant who waits for your command. You ask, it responds, then it stops. An AI agent? It's like hiring an entire team that works autonomously. You give it a goal, not instructions. Let me show you the difference. ChatGPT. User asks, "What's the weather?" AI responds, "It's 72 degrees," and waits. AI agent. User says, "I want a productive day." The agent plans: check weather, analyze calendar, suggest optimal schedule, book transportation, send reminders. It uses tools: browser to check weather, calendar API to see meetings, email to send updates. The key difference: ChatGPT is reactive. AI agents are proactive. An AI agent equals a goal plus planning ability plus tools plus autonomy. That's the formula. AI agents have four superpowers that make them incredible. Superpower 1: planning. You say, "Plan my trip to Japan." A normal AI gives suggestions. An agent breaks it down. First, search flights. Second, find hotels. Third, check visa requirements. Fourth, create day-by-day itinerary. It creates a tree of subtasks and executes them systematically. Superpower 2: tool use. You ask, "Will I need an umbrella tomorrow?" The agent doesn't just guess, it uses tools. Opens browser, like searches weather API, reads forecast data, checks your calendar location, then answers yes, 80% chance of rain at 3 p.m. when you have your outdoor meeting. Superpower 3: memory. Every interaction builds its knowledge base. It remembers your past questions, your preferences, the context of previous conversations, your goals. This isn't just storage, it's learning about you. Superpower 4: self-correction. Watch this. Agent writes code, tests it, gets an error, doesn't ask you. Instead, it reads the error, debugs the code, tries again. Success, this loop of try, fail, fix, repeat, happens automatically. These four powers working together, that's when magic happens. But how does it actually work under the hood? At the core is a large language model, the brain. This is GPT-4, Claude, or similar. It handles reasoning and understanding, but the LLM can't act alone. It needs an AI agent framework, a protective shell that gives it structure. This framework has connection points to the outside world. First component, the prompt chain. The agent talks to itself in a loop. What's my goal? Break it into steps. What tool do I need? Did it work? This self-dialogue creates the planning ability. Second component, tool interface. This connects the LLM to real-world tools through APIs. Web browser for searching, code interpreter for running programs, database access for storing data, calculator for math. Each tool sends commands in, gets results out. Third component, memory system. Every interaction, every result, every decision flows into a knowledge base. The agent builds a database of context over time. Put it all together. LLM brain plus prompt chain plus tool interface plus memory system equals a fully functioning AI agent. This architecture is the blueprint that powers everything. Let's see real AI agents in action. Example 1, AutoGPT. You give it a goal: create a coffee shop business plan. What happens? It researches the market, analyzes competitors, calculates startup costs, writes the full plan, generates marketing ideas, all automatically. You wake up to a complete business plan, no hand-holding required. Example 2, GitHub Copilot Workspace. You describe a feature, add user authentication. The agent doesn't just write code in one file. It edits your main file, updates utilities, creates tests, modifies config, all coordinated across multiple files. It understands your entire code base. Example 3, Microsoft Copilot, your business assistant inside Microsoft 365. It connects your calendar, email, Excel spreadsheets, and Word documents. You say, "Summarize this week's priorities," and it pulls data from everywhere, creating a unified view. The future? We're just getting started. Scientific research agents, stock trading agents, architecture design agents, medical diagnosis agents. Any repetitive cognitive work will have an AI agent. The age of autonomous AI is here. But let's be real, AI agents aren't perfect yet. Challenge 1, they can get stuck in loops, trying the same failed approach over and over, burning through API calls without progress. Challenge 2, they can misinterpret your goal. You say, optimize my budget, and it cancels all your subscriptions, including the ones you need. Wrong direction. Challenge 3, they're expensive. Every tool use, every API call, every step in the chain costs money. Autonomous operation means costs can spiral. Challenge 4, they need human oversight. An agent making decisions without supervision? That's risky. We still need humans in the loop. The key is partnership. Human sets the goal and monitors. Agent handles the execution. Together, they're unstoppable. We've come so far, from simple chatbots that answer questions, to AI assistants that help with tasks, to AI agents that work autonomously, and the future? Even more powerful. The future is autonomous. AI agents will handle the busy work, the repetitive tasks, the multi-step projects, while you focus on creativity, strategy, and the things only humans can do. So here's my question. What task would you want an AI agent to handle? Drop a comment below. And if you want to stay ahead of the AI revolution, subscribe and hit that notification bell. The future is coming fast. Thank you for watching.